We'll guide you through how to copy nodes in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To copy nodes in Blender, begin by opening Blender and loading your project file so that all your existing work is available. Next, switch to a workspace that uses geometry nodes, since this will give you access to the node editor and the tools required for this process. Make sure the correct node editor is visible on your screen and adjust your layout if necessary so you can clearly see the nodes. After that, select the object that contains the nodes you want to copy, because nodes are tied to specific objects. Click inside the node editor to ensure it is active, which allows your keyboard shortcuts to affect the nodes directly. Locate the node or group of nodes you want to copy by navigating around the editor. Left-click on a single node to select it if you only need one. To select multiple nodes, hold Shift and click on additional nodes one by one. Alternatively, press B to activate the box select tool, then click and drag over multiple nodes to select them at once. Once your desired nodes are selected, press Ctrl+C to copy them to your clipboard. Move your mouse to the desired location within the same node editor where you want the duplicated nodes to appear. Then press Ctrl+V to paste the copied nodes into that area. The pasted nodes will appear near your cursor position, making it easy to place them precisely. Click and drag to reposition the nodes neatly in your workspace so your setup remains organized and readable. Finally, reconnect any node links if needed, since some connections may not automatically transfer depending on the context in which the nodes were copied. Take a moment to review the duplicated nodes to ensure they function as expected within your setup. If any values or parameters need adjustment, edit them directly in the Node Properties panel. You can also group the copied nodes if you plan to reuse them frequently in other parts of your project. Keeping your node arrangement clean will help improve readability and efficiency when working on more complex systems. Repeat the copying process whenever you need additional duplicates of nodes for variations or experimentation within your design to further refine your workflow and overall node management skills.